What's up, guys? Christopher Ramirez coming at you with another review video on a product called OptInUp. And what OptInUp is pretty much a tool to where you can hold like contests for a specific lead. You can either hold contest or have it set up as a lead magnet, okay? Meaning like if you hold a contest and people can win money, for instance. Like say you're giving away money as whatever the lead magnet is, okay? You could hold the contest and say share so many times or share in the groups. Like you can say share this specific link in the groups, and what it does, it creates kind of like a viral effect to where you're building your list with that viral effect webbing out. Okay, when people do that, okay, you can have it set up to where share my promotional link 4 times so that you can get your free training or free money or whatever it is. So that's kind of what it is in a gist. So go ahead and test it out. Go back to that email that made you come here and look for what it is exactly, okay? And that said, just go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video. I appreciate that. And there will also be a link in the description of what I'm currently doing. Well, click that link in the description and message me on Facebook just below that link. Even in the comments, you'll see it. Just go ahead and message me on Facebook. Okay, go ahead, click that link where it says message me on Facebook below, and it's below the other link, and message me on Facebook. I'm always on it. I'll see you guys on the other side. Peace.